Hello friends, let's find out these keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus D, font size, font style, font effects. Delete selected item. Ctrl plus E, change the alignment to the center or from center to the left. Ctrl plus F, find or replace, mainly find. Ctrl plus G, go to. Ctrl plus H, find or replace, mainly replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, insert hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, align text to left. Ctrl plus M, indent. Ctrl plus N, new document. Ctrl plus O, open. Ctrl plus P, print. Ctrl plus Q, remove paragraph formatting. Ctrl plus R, align text to right. Ctrl plus S, save as. Ctrl plus T, left indent. Ctrl plus U, underline. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus W, close. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Ctrl plus Z, undo or undo the action.